Hey guys, and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to sign up for Murf AI. Open up any browser on your desktop device and simply type murf.ai on the search bar and hit enter. Once the page has loaded, you will see something like this. That is the home page of murf.ai. You can scroll down to look at its different features. But for now, we need to sign up, so let's look at the navbar. On the rightmost section of the navbar, you will see something like Sign Up. Next to Sign Up, there is Login. You can log in from here if you wish, but for now, let us click on Sign Up. Now, there are lots of options to sign up to murf.ai. You can sign up using Google, Microsoft, or Slack, or simply enter your email address and password. Let's try to use this method, that is, we enter our email and password. Now there is a section here which says the password must meet these following criteria, that is, it must be at least 8 characters, have one special character, one number, alphabet, and no white spaces. Now let us try it. The criteria is fulfilled. Now I simply want to click on sign up. And now that the sign up has been successful, a verification mail will be sent to your registered email address. You can simply open Gmail from here. Let us open it. It might be in the spams, you can also check that. Now if we scroll below, we will find something like, hello, you're one step away from creating amazing voiceovers. If we simply click on here, that is, click here to verify, you can verify your email account. You can see that we have successfully signed up. Now it is asking us for our name and what type of work you do. You can input your last name or not, that's up to you. After everything is done, simply click on continue. You can give the workspace your own unique name, but for now I'm just gonna leave it as it is and click on create workspace. Well guys, that's the gist of it. That is how you sign up for murf.ai using your email address. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.